This tutorial is to show how to do a double crochet inside of a magic ring. I'm going to start with the magic ring. If you don't know how to do the magic ring, I have another tutorial up for that you can go watch. So I'm going to make my magic ring, just like that. And I'm ready to start my double crochets. Now my pattern calls for 12 double crochets inside the magic ring. The first thing I'm going to do is chain 2. Read your pattern carefully because sometimes they will say the chain 2 does not count as a double crochet. Sometimes some patterns say the chain 2 does count as the double crochet. In my pattern, it says it counts as a double crochet. So lucky me. This is our first double crochet. So to do the next double crochet and all of the ones following, you're going to have a loop on your hook from the chain. You're going to wrap around the yarn from front to back, put your hook through the magic ring from front to back, yarn over, pull the yarn back through the magic loop or the magic ring. You have 3 loops on your hook now. Yarn over again and pull through 2 of the hooks on your, or 2 of the loops on your hook. Now you have only 2 loops on your hook remaining. You're going to yarn over again and pull through those 2 remaining loops. And that's it. That's the double crochet. So we'll do it again. We have 1 loop on our hook. We're going to yarn over, put our hook through from front to back the magic ring, yarn over and pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over again and pull the hook through the first 2 loops that we have on our hook. We have 2 loops remaining, so we're going to yarn over again and pull the hook through those 2 remaining loops. And that's 2. So again, a little faster. Yarn over, hook goes through the magic ring, yarn over, pull it out, 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull the hook through the first 2, yarn over, hook through the second 2. Again, yarn over, through the magic ring, yarn over again, through the first 2 loops, yarn over again through the second 2 loops. When you get into a flow, you will feel it and it just feels really smooth and really good. You're able to go a little bit faster. The more practice you get, you'll be able to just not even really think about it. You're going to go, oh, double crochet. Here I go. Do, 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 do. And 12 double crochets on a magic ring is going to take you no time at all. And that's how they look. For your double crochet, you can tell that the double crochet is this pillar right here, and it has a single stitch on the top. So it starts here, it goes all the way up, and it has this stitch right here. This stitch belongs to the next double crochet. So when you go back to count the double crochets, you want to start by counting you can start by counting the top of the stitches, or you can come down here and you can count the pillars that you have, whichever is easiest for you. So I have this one, remember, is my chain 2 that my pattern is saying to count as a double crochet. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 double crochets counting by the pillars. If you count on the top, it's got, this one is my chain 2. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that's it. And of course, when you're done with it, you know, you can pull the magic ring and it tightens it and closes it up. Okay?